Connecting Google Workspace to Hostinger is a straightforward process that enables you to manage your domain and email services efficiently. To begin, you need to have a Google Workspace account and a Hostinger hosting plan. First, log into your Hostinger account and navigate to the DNS Zone Editor. The DNS Zone Editor is where you manage your domain's DNS records, which are crucial for connecting Google Workspace to Hostinger. In the DNS Zone Editor, you will add the necessary records to verify your domain ownership and set up email services. Next, log into your Google Workspace account and go to the Admin Console. In the Admin Console, click on the Domains option and then click on Add a Domain. Enter your domain name and follow the verification process. Google Workspace will provide you with a TXT record that you need to add to your DNS Zone Editor in Hostinger. After adding the TXT record, return to the Google Workspace Admin Console and click on Verify. Once your domain is verified, you can set up your email services. To do this, you need to add MX records to your DNS Zone Editor in Hostinger. Google Workspace will provide you with the necessary MX records. Add the MX records to your DNS Zone Editor and save the changes. It may take some time for the changes to propagate globally. Once the changes have propagated, you can start using your Google Workspace email services with your custom domain. It is essential to note that you should also set up SPF and DKIM records to prevent email spoofing and ensure email delivery. You can find the necessary SPF and DKIM records in the Google Workspace Admin Console. Add these records to your DNS Zone Editor in Hostinger to complete the setup process. In conclusion, connecting Google Workspace to Hostinger is a simple process that requires adding the necessary DNS records to your DNS Zone Editor. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your domain and email services and take advantage of the features and security that Google Workspace and Hostinger provide.